Good morning, beautiful soul. I am the Sunshine Sage, and I am honored to guide you into a space of warmth, peace, and boundless love. This moment is just for you to awaken gently, to embrace the energy of a new day, and to fill your heart with gratitude and light. Find a comfortable position, whether seated with your spine tall and proud or lying down in complete ease. Allow yourself to settle into stillness, feeling the embrace of the morning. As you close your eyes, let the world around you soften and turn your attention inward. Imagine the golden rays of the sun cradling you, wrapping you in warmth, safety, and infinite love. Take a deep breath in, slowly and fully, welcoming fresh, vibrant energy into your body. Let this breath be a reminder that you are alive, you are present, you are loved. Now exhale gently, releasing anything that feels heavy, any tension, any doubt, any stress. With each breath, feel yourself relaxing deeper into peace, as if the sun's golden light is filling every cell of your being, melting away all that no longer serves you. With this sunrise comes a new beginning, a fresh chapter waiting to unfold. You are exactly where you need to be. You are cherished. You are supported. Step into this day with an open heart, knowing that the warmth of the sun walks beside you, guiding you with love and light. Let us begin. Feel the gentle embrace of the morning as it welcomes you with open arms. The world is stirring, stretching, awakening, just as you are. Notice the softness in the air, the quiet stillness that holds the promise of a fresh start. The sun rises just for you, painting the sky in golden hues, filling the earth with warmth and life. Take a deep, slow breath in, allowing the crisp energy of the morning to awaken your senses. As you exhale, release any lingering heaviness, whether it be tension, worry, or thoughts that no longer uplift you. With each breath, you create space for joy, for peace, for gratitude. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Feel its steady rhythm, the quiet pulse of life within you. Place a gentle hand over your heart if it feels right, and let yourself sink into deep gratitude for this moment, for this breath, for this day. Think of three things you are grateful for. Let them come to you naturally. It could be the soft comfort of your bed, the warmth of the sun on your skin, or the love of your family. Allow this gratitude to expand, filling every corner of your heart with warmth. Feel deep gratitude for the beauty of nature, the kindness of others, the opportunities before you, and the lessons of yesterday that have made you stronger. Remind yourself that each moment is precious, each breath is a gift, and every new day is a chance to embrace life with love and joy. As the sun rises higher in the sky, imagine its light glowing brighter within you. Feel this radiance ignite a deep sense of thankfulness for yourself, your strength, your kindness, your unique journey. You are exactly where you need to be. You are enough just as you are. And with gratitude lighting your path, you step forward into this day with love, with grace, and with boundless joy. Now allow your mind to drift to a peaceful forest, a sacred space where nature embraces you in its loving presence. Picture yourself walking along a soft, winding path, surrounded by towering trees, swaying gently in the morning breeze. Sunlight filters through the leaves, casting golden patterns upon the earth, filling you with warmth and tranquility. With each step, you feel more grounded, more connected to the earth beneath you. The crisp, fresh scent of pine and blooming flowers fills your senses, reminding you of the beauty that exists all around you. Listen to the gentle rustle of the leaves, the distant call of birds welcoming the day, and the soothing rhythm of your own breath in harmony with nature. As you continue walking, you step into a sunlit meadow nestled within the heart of the forest. The golden rays of the sun filter through the tall, swaying trees, casting shimmering patterns upon the earth. Birds sing sweet melodies, and a soft breeze carries the rich scent of pine and earth. The warmth of the sun touches your skin, a gentle reminder of the love and light that surrounds you. Here, you pause, placing your hand over your heart, feeling the steady rhythm of life within you. This is your sacred space, a place where the energy of the forest, the embrace of the sun, and the harmony of nature fill you with peace, love, and boundless positivity. Take a deep breath in, drawing in the pure energy of the forest, and as you exhale, let go of anything that feels heavy. With each breath, imagine yourself absorbing the healing essence of nature, filling your entire being with peace, love, gratitude, and endless possibility. Now repeat these affirmations silently or aloud, allowing them to resonate deeply within you. I am filled with light and warmth. I welcome this day with an open heart and a peaceful mind. I am strong, resilient, and deeply loved. Positivity flows through me, shaping my reality with joy and purpose. I'm grateful for the love that surrounds me and the opportunities ahead. I trust in the beauty of the present moment and embrace it fully. My heart is open to kindness, abundance, and endless possibilities. Feel these words sinking into your soul, awakening your inner radiance. The forest, the sun, the universe itself supports you. You are safe, you are loved, you are exactly where you need to be. Let yourself rest in this peaceful moment, basking in the harmony of nature and the deep well of positivity within you. Know that as and when you step forward into your day, this light and love remain with you, guiding and uplifting you every step of the way. Gently bring your focus to this very moment. Allow your mind to rest in the here and now, free from the weight of the past and the uncertainty of the future. There is nothing to do, nowhere to be, just this sacred moment of presence. Feel the soothing rhythm of your breath flowing in and out, steady and constant, like the golden sun rising over the horizon, filling the world with warmth and light. Become aware of the sensations in your body, the gentle embrace of the sun's rays, the steady rise and fall of your chest, the support of the earth cradling you. You are here, you are safe, you are alive. This moment is a gift, a space of deep peace where you are held by the energy of the universe. Breathe in deeply, inviting calm and serenity into every part of your being. Breathe out, releasing tension, doubt, and anything that does not serve your highest good. With each inhale, you welcome clarity, peace, and gratitude. With each exhale, you let go of worries, fears, and distractions. You are exactly where you need to be. You are enough, just as you are. Let yourself surrender to the beauty of now, embracing the warmth and stillness of this present moment. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently bring your awareness to your heart. This moment is yours, a sacred opportunity to shape the energy you wish to carry with you today. What do you want to invite into your life? Perhaps it's peace, love, confidence, or gratitude. Whatever it is, allow yourself to fully embrace it now. Picture this intention as a warm, golden light glowing within your heart. With every inhale, this light expands, filling your entire being with its radiance. With every exhale, it settles deeper, rooting itself in your soul. Feel its presence, its warmth, its unwavering support. Now reflect on how this intention can guide you through your day. Imagine yourself moving through your morning, carrying this energy with grace. How does it shape your thoughts? How does it influence your actions? See yourself interacting with others, making choices, and approaching challenges with this energy radiating from within. Whisper your intention softly to yourself or simply hold it in your mind. Let it be a guiding force, illuminating your path, shaping your choices, and aligning your actions with your highest good. Trust that this energy is now a part of you, effortlessly flowing into everything you do. Affirm to yourself, I move through this day with purpose and clarity. My heart is open to love, kindness, and gratitude. I am aligned with the highest version of myself. I radiate positivity, strength, and peace in all that I do. I step into this day with a heart full of joy and a mind open to endless possibilities. My actions today are guided by wisdom, compassion, and love. I welcome opportunities for growth, joy, and new beginnings. Know that you are fully supported in this intention. Just as the sun rises with unwavering purpose, so do you. You are a beacon of light, moving forward with clarity, strength, and love. Carry this energy with you today. Let it shine through your words, your actions, and your presence. Walk with confidence, knowing that you are guided, protected, and deeply loved. This day is a blank canvas. It is waiting to be painted with your warmth and brilliance. Step forward and shine. Now, with your heart full of light and your mind at peace, it is time to gently return to the present moment. Bask in the gentle embrace of the sun, letting its golden light envelop you, filling you with warmth, vitality, and a deep sense of peace. Take a deep breath in, allowing the fresh morning air to fill your lungs, awakening every part of your being with vibrant life. As you exhale, feel any last traces of tension dissolve, leaving only a deep sense of calm and clarity. Feel yourself reawakening to the world around you, carrying this deep sense of peace, clarity, and gratitude with you. Slowly begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the energy flowing through them. Stretch your arms gently, as if reaching toward the golden rays of the morning sun, inviting in a renewed sense of strength and positivity. Know that this sense of peace and presence is yours to carry throughout the day, a guiding light within you, a steady source of warmth and love. When you feel ready, softly open your eyes, taking in the world with fresh clarity and purpose. Let a gentle smile bloom on your lips, knowing that you are stepping into this day with grace, confidence, and a heart full of gratitude. Move forward knowing that the sun shines for you, guiding your path with warmth and infinite possibilities. Know in your heart that whatever comes your way today, your, your glowing positivity and your profound peace is unshakable. You are radiant, you are strong, and today is yours to embrace with pure love, heartfelt gratitude, and limitless joy. Thank you for taking this time to nurture your heart, your mind, and your soul. I honor you for choosing to begin your day with peace and intention. May your day be filled with love, joy, and endless possibilities. If this meditation has brought you peace, do subscribe to my channel, The Sunshine Sage. Have a truly beautiful day ahead.